Okay, shalom once again. Another news about the digital ID. Yung kanina po ay UK. So bago ang UK, nauna po pala ang Africa. So ito po.
Ready? The digital ID, which has been a big problem to us for a very long time, is now on a testing mode for the next 2 months. I have been assured by all the stakeholders, led by the ministries concerned, that by December, we will be able to launch digital ID, where every Kenyan don't have to carry any paper, plastic or otherwise, as an ID, that they should be able to be identified digitally using their iris or their fingerprints, and we can transact without the necessity of people struggling to identify who they are. And the proudest part of it is that we don't have to spend the billions that we have spent on all the other manenos, as all of you know.
Okay. So yun po yung about digital ID. So nauna ang nagproklama ang Kenya sa South Africa at itong nakaraan lang ay ang UK. So actually ang Kenya or South Africa is ano tawag nito, Europe colonized. So hindi ito malayong mangyari, talagang connection na ito. So maliban po dyan, meron na rin po sa Dubai. At sa Dubai nga po, gusto na nilang i-implement yung no passport na eh. So papasok ka na lang, parang lalabas-masok ka na lang ng bansa without any passport. Through iris scan na lang yung kanilang gagawin. That is also a digital. Kasi ano yun eh, computerized pa rin po ang gagamitin. So there he is. Ito po ay palapit na po ng palapit. At hindi na po yung narinig ko noon nung bata pa ako. Sabi niya, narinig ko na yan, na darating na si Jesus. Matanda na ako. Wala pa man. Diba ba? Ganun naman, alam yun, namatay na po yun. So, one day in the Lord is 1,000 years of men. Kaya, hindi po natin pwedeng yung bukas natin ay bukas din ng Diyos. Di po ba? So, yun lamang po, update, another insight, another idea, another knowledge po sa ating tayo pong lahat, na lalo na tayong mga lingkod ng Diyos. So, take note, be watchful and pray, and prayerful, na hindi po tayo malinlang. God bless you and bye-bye again.